Hello friends, I have recently purchased SJCAM 5000X ELITE. So here you can see all the accessories and the camera itself, which came in a standard packaging. So this is SJCAM 5000X ELITE. So as you can see, the camera is quite compact and small in size like all the other action cameras, and it comes with a Wi-Fi option. So it is having a 2-inch of screen and other control buttons on it. Okay, and unlike many other action cameras, its lens comes with a cover. I mean, it's a very small thing, but it's quite useful. So this is the waterproof casing for the camera, and these silver buttons are used to access the camera buttons when it is inside the casing. So it's good. I mean, it's waterproof and you can shoot scuba diving and other underwater videos for a pool party or something else. Now these are various kind of mounts that come with the camera. So like this is a J-shaped buckle. So, and these are various other screws which can be used to mount the camera in different ways. And like this is, I think, the handlebar mount for the camera, and these are the adhesive mounts. Like this is the one which can be used for mounting the camera on the helmet. From this side we can stick it, and from this side we can attach the camera. And this is a standard tripod mount for the camera. I mean, here we can attach it to the tripod and keep it and shoot the time lapse and another videos from the camera. So the other things which come with the camera are like this back cover for the waterproof casing. As you can see, it's written spare waterproof case back door with holes, and like this is a cleaning cloth, and these are the straps for extra protection or to tie it to the backpacks. And this is the mount which I recently used to install my camera to use it as a dash cam for my car. So using a double-sided tape, I fixed it on the dash of my car and recorded the dash videos. So I mean, it's up to us like which mount we want to use to install or mount the camera and in what way. So there are some other things like this camera. I mean, although it comes with a lot of accessories, but one very important accessory is the memory card. It doesn't come with a memory card, so you have to spend $500 extra to purchase a 32 GB memory card for it, so which I have done. And apart from this, the camera, it doesn't come with a suction cup mount, and that is like very useful if you want to use it for a dash cam or like many other things. So I think they should have included it. And it also doesn't contain a spare battery. So like if you want to record back-to-back videos, so you may like to have a spare battery which you can purchase separately. Like this is the area, like from here we can take out the battery. Talking about the features of this camera can record videos in 4K at 24 fps, and if you're recording in 1080p, it can go up to 60 fps, and while recording at 720p, it can go up to 120 fps. And it is also having a mode to record at VGA mode. So if you want to record long videos for like road trip and all, so you can go for the VGA mode, so that you can record videos up to 5 hours of length. Because if you record at 4K, so your 32 GB of space will be consumed within 15 to 20 minutes. So that's a catch. Also, you can click the pictures at 12 megapixel. It is having a Sony lens, and it is a 170-degree wide angle lens. So when you are recording or taking the pictures, you will see the curvature in the pictures as well. So not very appropriate for using it as a digital camera for still pictures, but yeah, still you can take them. Now we'll see how to operate this camera. So there is a power button on the front, so long press it and the camera will switch on. So on the screen you can see the 5 hours 6 minutes and 26 seconds is the time of the video that it can record right now in the VGA mode, and that's the battery status right now, and WDR means the HDR mode is on right now. The video plus photo mode is switched on, so if I press the stopmost button it will start recording the video. Now if I want to click a picture, so I will have to press the power button once. So now it has changed to the photo mode. Now if I press the top button it will click the picture, and if I press the same button again, so it will enter the menu. So in the menu you can see there are various mode like underwater TV, out motion detection, car mode. In the car, this car mode is used for the dash camera purpose, so that if you keep it attached through USB cable to your serial lighter port, so as soon as you power on the vehicle it will start recording the video. In the playback you can see your recorded video setup. You are having various options. Photo plus video is the current mode. The other is a video lapse, in which you can record the time lapse videos, slow recording, photo lapse, burst mode, and various other options are there which we need to explore. Entering the setup you can see various options like light set, screensaver, frequency, logo, language, connecting to the Wi-Fi, the password setting and all, deleting, formatting, resolution, loop recording, WDR means the HDR mode, gyro sensor. I mean, this is one major aspect of this camera 5000X ELITE, that it is having an inbuilt gyro which stabilizes the videos while recording, so it should be switched on. Volume, video file format, in which you can select which mode like 4K, 720p, whatever you want to record, what is the bit rate, okay, and do you want to record the video as soon as you power on the camera, the image size, like which megapixels and what resolutions you want to record, quality, sharpness, noise reduction. So various options to play with, and according to your need you can select them. Well, I will show you how to mount the SJCAM 5000X ELITE on any bullet model. So here you can see the handle mount comes with the SJCAM, so you have to just fix it this way, and using additional screw, this one which also comes with the package, you can mount it like this on the handle, and you see the position is quite upright and it supports the full view of the road.